Nice. What's the RMS on them?
They're 6,000 watts.
Okay.
With 4,500 watt RMS.
Okay. Use discount code Decaf-White when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. How you doing?
Good.
Could you tell me real quick what you got and your name? If you put the window up first. Sorry.
2 Rockford Punch 15s on an 8,000 watt power acoustic. And my name's Justin. Stock alternator, stock everything else besides the battery in the back and the battery in the front.
Okay. Who built the box?
I bought it.
You bought it? Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a port or is it sealed?
Port in the back.
Okay. You know what it's tuned to on it?
No.
It's all good.
I metered on the team meet at 142.
Mm-hmm.
And that was with not them broke in.
Okay, got it.
So with them broke in more, it's doing better.
Can I see how the port and all looks in the back?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And you're on Team Base Outlaws?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Looks good. Are these the 750 watt RMS or what's the RMS on them?
They're 6,000 watts.
Okay.
With 4,500 watt RMS.
Okay, got it. Awesome. What's going on, everyone? This is Decaf-White. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Looking forward to showing you all a 2-song bass demo on these Punisher 15-inch subwoofers. He showcased his system at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida in 2021. If you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system, as well as give him a like. He definitely did a really good job. Really nice box. I know it's custom. You can tell by the size of it, and it doesn't look prefab. Subs up, port back seems to be most optimal. Anybody that ever does SUV systems all the time, like 90% of the systems I see always have subwoofers up, port back. That seems to be the loudest for this style SUV. So anybody that had that question, that hopefully answered your question there if you're planning to do a system. So this was rated at 8,000 watts is what he was saying, but it is actually peak power. I went on their website, the official Power Acoustics. That is rated at 4,000 watts RMS on their site. And I'm pretty sure the subwoofers are rated at 1,500 watts RMS, but they do have a 6,000 watt peak power for the Punisher 15-inch subs. So definitely check out the links in the description if you want to know more about the system. I always try to include all the details whenever I get demos, so I hope you appreciate that. We're going to go ahead and get to the 2-song bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on YouTube, Decaf-White, and enjoy.
And that was with not them broke in.
Okay, got it.
So with them broke in more, it's doing better.
All right. appreciate the demo, man.
Oh, yeah.
And you're on Team Bass Outlaws?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.